Welcome to another Ultimate DIYer quick review. We are building our workout room. That's what the TV is here. We're fixing to mount it on the wall. And we have this ProForm. They call it actually a ProForm Cardio HIIT machine. And some of the cool features about this machine is it has a very narrow footprint. So it can go in a lot of areas that a big treadmill couldn't make it. Treadmills are great, but they have a big footprint. They take a lot of space. This can set over in a corner very easily. And like you can see here, this is all the space we're actually using. Some of the things I do like about this, it's got a good construction. It's a lot of plastic and a lot of metal. ProForm has a very good reputation for great machines. I have had a ProForm treadmill in the past, and they always responded quickly to any customer service problems that I've ever had. I've had no problem with this one. I think if you take your time and you put it together correctly, you're not going to have some of the issues that I did read in the comments where people were putting them together and breaking the unit. So if you take your time, follow the instructions, and do it the correct way, I don't think you're going to have an issue there. So back to the feet though on these, like I said, they have the gel, which is great on your feet, but it also grips as well. And the way this works, when you stand on it and you're actually exercising, it is very gentle on the knees and on the hip joints so that you do not put a lot of extra stress on those joints. It has several places to put your hands. One down low, one up high like you're almost skiing, which is really cool. And then it also has the hand ones here, which this will read your heart rate as well. This also uses iFit. You can download the iFit app. So you have all kinds of programs and things you can run through. It does have a fan on it. So you can change the fan so it's blowing on you to keep you cool. And it has a big spot up here where you can put things like iPads or iPhones so that you can actually watch your iPad up here. You can take an iPhone like this one and turn it sideways here as well, so you can watch that. It has a really nice display that shows all of the functions that the unit does, and it has a place to put a drink. Overall, I think it's a pretty great unit, and I think that you really can't go wrong with this one. If you really want something that has a small footprint, that works well, easier on your joints, so get yourself one of these ProForm Cardio HIIT machines. Hope this helps. We'll see you on the next one.